In the late 19th century, the world's financial landscape was a mosaic of diverse currencies, each with its own intrinsic value tied to the commodities it represented. This era, however, was about to witness a seismic shift, as one currency would rise above the rest, becoming the international standard for monetary exchange, the gold standard. The story began in the heart of the British Empire, with the British pound sterling. After years of economic growth and global expansion, Great Britain's formidable power made the pound a symbol of strength and reliability. As its influence spread, merchants and governments across the globe began to adopt it as a benchmark for monetary stability. However, this newfound dominance did not come without challenges. Other nations, especially Germany and the United States, were eager to establish their own currency as a viable alternative. In the early 1870s, the German gold mark and the U.S. gold dollar emerged, threatening to dethrone the pound sterling from its position of supremacy. The crisis came in 1873, when a series of bank failures in Vienna and a global economic slowdown sent shockwaves through the international financial system. The pound sterling, once the rock upon which the global economy was built, began to falter. Governments and banks worldwide, fearing a collapse of the international monetary system, rushed to restore confidence in the pound. The turning point came in 1875, when the British government, under the leadership of Prime Minister Benjamin Disraeli, took decisive action. The pound was officially declared to be redeemable in gold at a fixed rate, effectively adopting the gold standard. This move, known as the Disraeli Act, sent a powerful message to the world. The pound sterling was once again solid, reliable, and worthy of international trust. The consequence of this decision was profound. By tying the value of the pound to gold, the British government had created a global standard for monetary value. The gold standard became the cornerstone of the international monetary system, providing a common currency for international trade and investment. It remained in place for over a century, until the onset of the Great Depression in the 1930s. The gold standard, though fraught with controversy and criticism, played a crucial role in shaping the modern global economy. Its influence can still be felt today, as many countries continue to maintain some degree of gold reserves as a safeguard against economic instability. The gold standard, a testament to the indomitable spirit of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of monetary stability.